Red Roof in Houston, Jersey Village. A family-friendly hotel located in the Jersey Village neighborhood. We are just 1 mile from Jersey Meadows Golf Course. Sam Houston Race Park is 7 miles away, and the Galleria Mall is just a 15-minute drive. Nearby airports include Houston Airport 10.33 miles, George Bush Intercontinental Airport IAH 15.94 miles, and David Wayne Hooks Memorial Airport DWH 16.60 miles. Enjoy your meals at nearby restaurants, Taquerias Arandas, USA Seafood Grill and Bar, and Adriatic Cafe. All guest rooms feature free Wi-Fi, microwave, mini refrigerator, and a flat-screen TV with a free expanded cable package featuring Showtime. Red Roof in Houston, Jersey Village features a guest coin laundry facility and exterior corridors. One well-behaved family pet per room is welcome. Free Wi-Fi and an outdoor pool are featured at Red Roof in Houston, North FM 1960 and I-45. RedRoofinHouston.com